buddy Wobig's place in Tucson, Arizona, and we're about to go on a little road trip together. Got balls or not? Wobig is thrown over the water. Oh, skip off it. Skip off the water. Oh, it's on the edge. Right by the rock. We might be able to get it with my retriever. I went too low. All right, moment of truth here. Oh, no, it's awfully deep. I do have polarized sunglasses and they're not helping. I still cannot see it, but doesn't mean we can't blindly get it. See if there's magic in the air tonight. See how deep this is. Oh, it's not that deep. I don't know, not looking good. Let's check the replay footage. Look at that. Went to the replay booth and did some more poking. Mission accomplished. Recovered the... Oh, no! 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 That is unfortunate. I can't leave that. That's more expensive than all my discs. Well, that's right there. Oh my God, you gotta be kidding me. How did I just manage to do that? Oh, that's cold. I didn't grab it with my foot. Oh, what is that? Oh, that's a rock. Woo! That is some cold ass water. Why can't I find it?
The bubbles are coming up like right behind you.
Oh, a giant snapping turtle. Oh, wait, there it is. Think. Feel something. Yep, that's it. Come on, baby. Yes, sir.
Whoa.
Well, stay dry just to get wet. Good or bad? Go for it. Money. There. Safe as could be. Out. Safe as could be. All right, now I'm gonna get a little ballsy. I'm gonna throw one of the most precious discs in my bag. I think I can get there. I have lost one of my favorite discs on this hole before. Oh God. So gone.
Wah, wah.
Whenever you say funny shit, that's when you don't pause the camera.
I'm new at this.
Yeah. Yep, she's gone, and that is so far in the middle that like there's no way I'm getting that back. That was one of my favorite discs, and I've been complaining about how flippy it's getting. And I guess now it just decided to end its own life. So we've both gone 2 in the drink. Or not 2, but each 1 in the drink. Yours luckily got back, mine is gone. The bad part about this one is that there's also the water that's up there.
Yeah.
So like, very, very difficult. Very difficult spot. So with that being said, might as well throw a disc that I really don't want to lose. Only makes sense, right?
Risk it for the biscuit.
Safe. All right, we're at the weenie tee pad. This one has less water. There is water behind the basket though, keep in mind. If you go too far. Oh yeah, you're safe. Very safe. Oh, I thought I nailed it. All right, next leg of the adventure. We're at the bougiest Planet Fitness that I've ever found in my travels. Specifically came back here just because they've got the nicest showers that I've ever been to. So Wobig's gonna be spoiled with his first van life Planet Fitness shower, getting a very, very nice one. Well, first off, got a fire truck here. Yikes, don't know what's going on. But my memory failed me, and while this is a very bougie looking Planet Fitness, this is not the one with the fancy showers. So had to take a normal shower in the tiny little stall with the little curtain, but we're fresh and clean. On to the Suns game. Game's over. Suns lost. Didn't even get to see John Morant play. Time to turn up. Kaiser to the bathroom, and now we're about to go check on Wobig and see how he is doing in the van by himself in his little personal apartment, see how he likes it. Up. You feeling nice and cozy at home?
I mean, I am happy for Lucy. Right now, I just gotta concentrate on my fucking job and finally sell this fucking dough.
Come on, Dad. Give me a bam. Come on, Dad.
Now that now, son, that
Come
now.
on, Dad. Bam.
Boys, I can't give you a bam, but I can give you a green egg and hey! We can do this! Hey, hey!